Alright my friends, it's July 23, I'm in the swamp area of the mAh. I have here a WURKKOS flashlight T1 sent to me for free to test from China. So thanks a lot for sending me this flashlight and I will test it. You're gonna love the swamps my friends. And here are super big shells. Here and here. And here is the Joe X-Man with the flashlight. Yes. Here you open this and you can charge it with a USB cable here. Flashlight. You just pull the trigger at the end. On, off, on, off, on, off, on. And when you pull it slightly here at the end, just slight pushes. And then you change the brightness of the flashlight. So you just pull the trigger here at the end, zuck, 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 slightly, and you change the brightness. When you push it really tougher, harder, it's off. A normal flashlight, basically. Everywhere shells. The swamps, baby. The freaking swamps of the Finland. So, this is the main flashlight, and when you change it here, you know, here it's off, off. One time you have a light which is blue and red, and you can change this also into a white apostrophe, into a white strophe. Here, 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 on and off. Then one further. Here is the normal light, and one further here it's strobe. You keep it pushed, and when you're in an emergency you have the strobe, 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 strobe. So all the features you need you have here at the end of the flashlight. You have here a clip where you can clip it somewhere, you know, you clip it, maybe here. You can clip it maybe on your head. What I don't like here for sure is this where you can charge the battery here, because when you go underwater or when rain comes inside, this will damage the flashlight 100%. But okay, usually you don't go diving with a flashlight, it's not a diving flashlight, but it can withstand some rain for sure. But I don't like this kind of features on a flashlight when you can charge them like this. But you have it's get hot of course when you open it. Yeah. Strobe. Now here in the wood. Normal light. A flashlight should be in every survival bag, but as you can see, when I went to Greenland and the flashlight got wet, these two I had with me, they were broken. 4 different levels. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah. A typical flashlight review. It's good, but I will keep it. I like these flashlights. I need them everywhere. I destroy so many because of my shooting. I will check out the price in the internet. WURKKOS T1, more power, more ready. There is a battery inside, rechargeable, and now the price is 57 euro. It was 82, now it's 57. This is the flashlight. This is the carton box, and it comes with a charger where you can charge, of course, the flashlight, and this is a lanyard for the flashlight. The light again against the sun. You can also push this button slightly inside and you're gonna change the repeat of the light. So you can also work away with slightly pushes here at the end and the strobe. For the strobe you have to push it and keep it pushed. At the end, keep it pushed. Pushed. This is a self-defense weapon, you know. This in the eye hurt a bit and you see nothing after it, so very good for women and chicken man. So here's the lanyard, the charger, and you have 2 spare plastic rings with you. That's what you get when you buy WURKKOS T1 from China. The mAh of Austria. This down there is Slovakia, for all my Chinese fanboys. Slovakia, Austria. The middle is the border. It's rechargeable. You open here at the top and you get the WURKKOS out 21,700 lithium ion 3.6 volts, 5,000 milliampere mAh. You see, it's a powerful battery. You put it back. I think it just will fit in WURKKOS flashlights, this battery. And you back. Yeah, and for this you have the spare plastic rings for here. I like it. You're gonna love the Fitland. In the Fitland on the mAh. He's here. He's in the trees. It gets hot pretty quickly here at the top of the flashlight, so you can boil an egg or make some air spice with the surface of the flashlight, which also can help in a survival situation. When you have to cook a meal and you don't want to eat raw meat, you have a flashlight and you just cook it on the light. Just cook it, and then you're cooked in your brain. Yes. I overall think about flashlights. Usually they should flash, they should work. I prefer flashlights which have a battery inside, so rechargeable batteries. I prefer because I have a power bank and a laptop. It's easier for me than to buy it in the shop. So I prefer flashlights like this. But if you saw one, basically you saw all of them. They have different features. Around 60 euro, yeah. Would I recommend it? I don't know. If you need a flashlight, maybe you buy it, maybe you get a better discount, I don't know. But basically, you saw one, you saw all. But is it a unique design? I don't know. Maybe. Will it withstand a zombie apocalypse? I don't know. Maybe. But do you withstand the zombie war, the zombie apocalypse, the zombie wars? You don't know, so then how should I know? I'm tripping again. Tripping! Yes! Tripping. Do it. Do it. Do it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's a very good light. Very bright. The whole cellar is filled with light. Yeah, this is very effective. Like the police. Blue and red, this looks awesome. Yeah. Very good, very nice. You touch it a little bit at the end here, and it changes the color. Awesome. Strobe. Yeah. So you can see it's very effective, this flashlight, also at super night. Okay, that's it for the WURKKOS T1. You could see it works. Very nice flash at night. So this is a cool flashlight, Terminator 1 from Arnold Schwarzenegger. Alright, see you my friends. Bye!